Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Asabi. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing week thus far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Before we get into this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today, I will be giving you guys a 3-month update post Fig Chop, post start from the very beginning. You have something to say, Mama? I guess not. So I'm just literally giving you guys a 3-month update. Right now I have my flaxseed gel in, and it's mostly soft, but it has a little crunch to it. But this is a length check for you all. It's kind of like hard to see, but you know, my hair is 4A, and it's super coily and curly. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Oh. Yeah, my hair is 4A and it's super coily. So, you know, 3 months and I've retained a bunch of length. Like, my hair is growing so fast. So, you know, this journey has been a journey. It's bittersweet sometimes, but you know, I enjoy it. I can't wait till I hit that 3-year mark, because I'm gonna really see some length then. But yeah, guys, keep up with me on my beautiful hair journey. It's so exciting, it's so liberating, and it just makes you feel like you're reaching certain goals. And I've definitely reached a bunch of goals thus far since I've started this journey, and I'm just super grateful. So thank you guys, have a great day, and I will see you all next week. Bye.
After I run up that bag, I'm through, and these streets don't let me like you.